Hi everyone, welcome to the unsupervised machine learning component of the course. Let's see what we are going to learn in this component of the course. So basically we have 5 sections in unsupervised machine learning component of the course. We will start this component with k-means clustering. The second topic is the hierarchical clustering. Then we have the advanced form of clustering, which is known as density-based spatial clustering of application with noise. And in short, we can call it DB scan clustering. Then we will have a special type of clustering, which is known as GMM clustering or Gaussian mixture model clustering. And finally, in this component of the course, we will learn about the principal component analysis or PCA. So PCA is the technique which is used to reduce the feature dimension of the input data. So these are the 5 sections which are present in the unsupervised machine learning component of the course. So in the next 5 section of this course, we are going to learn about the unsupervised machine learning. So I hope you will learn a lot about the unsupervised machine learning. Thanks for listening this lecture, and I will see you in the next lecture.